Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom surrounded by sparkling rivers and magical forests, there lived a kind and curious girl named Princess Rupensul. She had hair that shimmered like sunlight and a voice so sweet that birds would gather to hear her sing. Her days were filled with laughter and song, yet deep in her heart, Rupensul yearned for adventure. One sunny morning, while exploring the edge of the enchanted forest, Rupensul stumbled upon a hidden, mysterious tower woven with vines and magic. It was rumored to be the legendary Tower of Wishes, a place where dreams could come true, but only for those who could solve the puzzles guarding its entrance. Determined to uncover the tower's secrets, Rupensul enlisted the help of her best friend Leo. Leo was a clever young inventor with a knack for puzzles, and her loyal pet squirrel Nutty, whose acrobatics often inspired new ideas. Together, they set on a quest that would test not only their minds but also their courage and friendship. Their journey began with a tricky riddle etched into the tower's ancient stone door. Speak without hearing, listen without speaking. Chuckling mischievously from a nearby tree, a talking fox named Fizzle appeared, offering cryptic hints. Undeterred, Rupensul and Leo combined their skills, recalling tales of wisdom from the forest's spirit. "It's silence," exclaimed Leo, realizing the answer just in time as the door creaked open. Inside the tower, they faced numerous challenges, from navigating a labyrinth of illusions to solving jigsaw puzzles that rearranged the stars. Each trial brought them closer to unraveling the tower's magic, and slowly, the bond between them deepened. However, their path was complicated by the presence of a grumpy old wizard named Gwarm, who guarded the tower's last level. His heart had hardened over centuries of isolation, but Rupensul's kindness reached him when she realized that friendship was his true wish. Meanwhile, a dark cloud loomed over the kingdom, casting shadows that threatened to engulf the land. The once vibrant fields began to wither, and fear gripped the hearts of its people. Knowing time was of the essence, Rupensul pleaded with Gwarm to help lift the darkness. Touched by her bravery and warmth, Gwarm revealed the final secrets of the tower. In a dazzling display of light and color, the tower's magic was unleashed as Rupensul sang with all her heart. The enchantment swept across the kingdom, breaking the spell and restoring joy and vitality to her home. The people celebrated Rupensul, Leo, and Nutty, thanking them for their bravery and the lessons learned. That courage, friendship, and kindness are the true keys to unlocking any mystery. Their adventures in the enchanted forest would forever be remembered, and the tower, now a symbol of hope, stood gleaming under the golden sun.